Hi everyone, my name is Saran and recently I turned 1 और खुशी की बात यह है कि हमारा परिवार भी आगे बढ़ता जा रहा है और बढ़ते परिवार के साथ हमारे कंधों पर और भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ आ चुकी है। रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ जैसे देश भर में खुशियाँ बांटना और सब लोगों के चेहरे पर एक हसीन सी मुस्कान लाना। तो आज मैं आप सभी के साथ अपने कुछ पुरानी यादों को शेयर करना चाहूँगा। सो वीडियो के एंड तक जुड़े रहिए।
Education is the essence of life. As we all know, the importance of education in this world, it is a priority and the birthright for all humans. But due to inevitable causes, some are unable to get the right education required for one's growth. Thus, Sarang Society is working on providing and promoting education to those who are in need.
At Sarang, believe that nothing is more beautiful than a smile that has struggled through years and tears. Every Care for the Elderly drive reminds us of those beautiful moments of wisdom we have shared with our elderly.
Nearly 8 lakh women around the world die every year due to the lack of sanitary napkins and proper guidance. We, Sarang Society, distributed sanitary napkins to the women who are in need and who can't afford. Thus, we decided that it will create awareness amongst women regarding the use of sanitary pads for their health, and we believe that one day we can at least aware the women of our society for using the sanitary napkins.
We all know millions of people die out of hunger every year. Thus, Sarang Society is somehow helping the needy people by distributing food packets and nutritional stuff.
In the wake of severe winter, we Sarang members decided to distribute blankets and clothes among the needy people so that they can fight the winter. There is no better gift than providing warm clothes to the needy during the winter season. Sarang has given us an opportunity to serve humanity by donating blankets and clothes to the needy ones.
Transgenders, a section of the society most neglected and shamed on. In our first event with them, we got to know that after knocking at the windows of people's car, they couldn't get even a 5 rupee from the people to buy a cup of tea. They are simply ignored, insulted and disrespected in every situation. Thus, Sarang Society believes that they are also a part of the society and a creation of God. So help us help them bring back in the social ladder of the world.
COVID times were hard for everyone in one way or the other. Amongst them, the blind, poorers or the weaker sections of the society were having a hard time already, and then COVID made it even worse. Just to make things easier for them, we the members of Sarang Society donated sanitizers, masks, food packets during lockdown and provided them some monetary benefits. We even visited the blind schools where kids were supposed to maintain hygiene. We donated hand sanitizers, machine, masks, hand wash, to combat COVID-19. We also promised ourselves that we will be always there with them.
Sarang has taken time to help not only our people but our environment too. We achieved this by organizing regular cleanliness and plantation drives. We as Sarang have a vision to promote the notion of Green India, Clean India, My Dream India. One must remember the key to a greener planet is only in our hands. Sarang has taken efforts to help not only the voice but the voiceless too. Remember, Mother Teresa once said, "Peace begins when all the hungry are fed." That includes our stray friends too.
वोकल फॉर लोकल एक छोटा सा हिस्सा है एक बड़े इनिशिएटिव का, आत्मनिर्भर भारत, जो कि हमारे पीएम श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने शुरू किया, जिसका मोटिव इंडिया से बनाए गए सामानों को खरीदना था और इंडिया को आत्मनिर्भर बनाना था। इस इनिशिएटिव को सक्सेसफुल बनाने में इंडियंस ने पार्टिसिपेट किया और इसके बेनिफिट्स सबसे ज्यादा दिवाली में देखने को मिले। हम सारंग मेंबर्स ने भी लोकल वेंडर से ही दिए खरीदे, जिससे उनके घर खुशियां तो आई ही, साथ ही उन वेंडर्स के चेहरों में भी एक मुस्कान ला सके। लोकल फॉर वोकल की वजह से लोकल वेंडर्स की लाइफ में पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट्स देखने को मिले। इसने कोविड-19 के अंधेरे में एक दिए की वजह से आशा की एक तेज रोशनी दी।
Sarang believes in taking actions quickly. As residents of Kolkata, one must be knowing there was a fire in Toksia on 15th November, which resulted in loss of shelter for over 90 plus families in Kolkata. These residents needed food and clothes at the earliest. Sarang collected clothes for these families and donated food supplies within 2 days of the mishaps. We even helped the residents to reach their story out there.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द होल वीडियो। और अब हमारे सारंग फैमिली का एक ही मिशन है कि हम अपने कोलकाता शहर से बाहर निकलकर पूरे देश में खुशियाँ बांटें। और आपका साथ हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि ये मिशन आपके बिना अधूरी है। और अगर आप लोगों को हमारा काम पसंद आया तो आप नीचे दिए गए QR कोड में स्कैन करके हमें डोनेशंस भेज सकते हैं। और आपका छोटा सा योगदान भी हमें किसी और की ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ लाने की मदद कर सकता है और हमें आगे बढ़ने की मोटिवेशन दे सकता है। सो गाइज, लेट्स वर्क टुगेदर एंड मेक दिस वर्ल्ड अ हैप्पी प्लेस।